One of the prevailing causes of infertility in women is infection and the consequences of infection. That is why I want to talk about infection and personal hygiene. Infection is a disease condition caused by microorganisms in any part of your body. Personal hygiene goes a long way in preventing infection. I want to talk about cleanliness of your private part as a woman. Now, as a woman, do your best to make sure that you are always clean, especially during your menstruation period. Taking care of your body during menstruation or any other time in your cycle is very good because it will help you make your body unconducive for infection or microorganisms to reproduce themselves, because that is basically how infection comes about. Your panties should be clean. You should change your sanitary pads as frequently as it should be. No sanitary pad should exceed 8 hours. No sanitary pad should exceed 8 hours. And when you change, make sure you wash your panties very well and dry it under direct sun. Don't dry it in your room. Such atmosphere is very conducive for microorganisms to breed. Direct sunlight helps to kill the germs that would have come into your body to cause infection. Now, for those of you that use the pit toilet, I think bucket toilet will be better for you, whereby you do what you want to do, you defecate, then you dispose of your defecants and clean up your bucket yourself. Pit toilets, it's not good for a woman that want to live healthy, because the germs that are already there, okay, just go in directly into your body through your vagina. Now, during your menstruation, do your best to use your sanitary pads. Okay? Don't use tissue, don't use cotton wool. They are not hygienic because they can introduce dust particles into your vagina, which can lead to infection. Alright? So clean up as regular as possible. Even when you urinate, clean up, dry up yourself. Okay? Make sure your body is not always wet. Wet environment encourages the breeding of microorganisms. Some of the symptoms you will be experiencing when you have infection in your body as a woman is: 1, you may notice irregular menstrual flow. You can notice watery discharge. You can also notice that your discharge may be too thick. Some women also experience itching in their private part, that's their vulva or the vagina. Okay, you can notice discoloration in your vaginal discharge, and also discoloration in your menstrual blood. The redness may be different from the one you've been experiencing before. All right, these are some of the symptoms of infection in your body. All right, some may experience discharge in their nipples when it's not breast milk and they are not breastfeeding a baby. All right, these are some of the symptoms. Some of the symptoms you may experience when you have infection. So when you notice any of such irregularities in your body, okay, what's the best thing for you to do is not to go practice self-medication. Rather, it is for you to see a doctor. Okay, go see a doctor and get treated. Whereas to prevent infection, like I said, is to maintain hygiene, especially during your menstruation. I hope with this little discussion, I've been able to help you in one area or the other to improving your reproductive health. Thank you very much. My name is Thanksgiving Uduagele. This message is brought to you by Women's Health and Action Research Center, WHARC, here in Benin City. You can visit WHARC at kilometer 11, Benin Lagos Expressway by Igweyeha, opposite Evidence of the Gospel Church in Benin City. And you can go online, visit our social media handles on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Twitter. You will see WHARC as Women's Health and Action Research Center. Then on Instagram, you will see WHARC as WHARC_Nigeria. Our email is info@warc-online.org. Also, you can visit our website at www.warc-online.org. Okay, you can call or WhatsApp us on +234 80 23 10 5456. For more studies and research about the woman's reproductive health, visit the website of African Journal for Reproductive Health on www.ajrh.info. Women's Health and Action Research Center, all about the health of the woman and the girl child.